We're gonna be doing the light bar inside the grill. Edwin's gonna actually be helping me with it, but before I take it to him, I gotta go give her a wash because she's dirty. Let's get her washed. Alright, so we're here at Edwind's. Let's throw the light bar on. I'm excited for it. This is Edwin Sequoia, and this is pretty much what we're doing to mine. Or correction, this is what he is doing to mine. The hidden light bar in there. Thank you, Edwin. Appreciate it. Excited. This is looking good. Edwin's got the brackets on there. Setting up the wiring right now. Let's run through the inside of here. Went through there. She's looking good. Alright, so Edwin has done an awesome job. I'm so excited. It's not done yet, but I can't wait. Alright, so we're done with the light bar install. Correction, Edwin is done with the light bar install. Thank you so much, bro. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Edwin. It looks awesome. Look at that. Sun went down. Stuff in the store. There's no light bar. Light bar. Pretty bright. I'm gonna be adding the pots pretty soon. Just to top it off. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next video.